Easy there, little guy. Don't wake him up.
I can't. You're killing me. This is the best cleaning crew I've ever seen. All right, little hero, you're doing great. And Sir Samurai back there, keep watch.
Oh boy, here we go. Slice and lift. Whoa! Oh my goodness, did you see him jump? He thought you took his head off. Here you go, little buddy. Best party ever. Oh my god. You do. Smile for the camera, girls. Ka-chick. Ha! Oh my goodness. Ha 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 ha!
You dropped your snack.
Little guy, he's seeing stars, literally. Uh-oh, round two.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
He really just dropped him.
Don't do that.
Keep that chest proud. Pull through the elbows. That's it. Smooth on the way back. Don't let the stack slam. Good, one more. Squeeze.
He's out cold. Oh no, here it comes. Oh my God. He went straight in, buddy, you okay? You got dunked by a monkey in sunglasses. Oh, that's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
That is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
And the winner is the carrot.
my gosh. That's it, little guy showing up his boss. Did you see that? He bowed. This is the best walk I've ever taken.
I can't believe that worked.